Hey guys, so I'm here to make a video about how to fix NutriBullet MagicBullet, and it's a pretty simple construction on or operation on how it works. There are two switches, these green colored switches that get activated by these two plastic strips. So when you put in the container, um, it kind of pushes these plastic down, and so there is one here, one here, one here. So good thing is there are two switches, and one I guess is an open slot. So uh, mine, if you can see here, this one broke, so I moved the limit switch. This used to be here, so I moved it here now. Yeah. And so anyway, so now these two strips were triggering the switch, the limit switch, not limit switch, just the switch here. So if when this strip is pressed down, well, I guess upwards here in this case, because it's upside down, this switch, if you can see here, kind of presses. Yeah. So that's how the power to, I guess, the motor is controlled by these series switches. So that the first time this plastic broke, so I moved the limit the switch to here, and the second time it stopped working, and I just opened it, and in this case the switch itself went bad. Now because there are two switches, I just disconnected the wires from the switch, and just connected it the wires directly, and put like a electrical tape on it, so essentially bypassing this switch. So it's really operational on one switch at this time, so last leg. But I can simply order these switches online from Amazon or eBay, and replace these switches. I think that should do the trick and save you whatever $50-$60 in repairing. But yeah, pretty simple operation. These two switches essentially getting activated when the container is pushed down into the grinder, and these two plastic strips activate the switch like this. Yep. Hope this helps. Thanks.